We are going to make some cashew dill dressing. And in this dressing is made, which is a few ingredients. It's very delicious, it's creamy, and I know that you will love it. We love it. And when we have company over, they just love it. It's sort of like a version of a ranch dressing, but it's all plant-based and it has good ingredients in it. So our first ingredients that we are going to add is 2 cups of rinsed cashews. Rinsed cashews, there's 1 cup there. And then we have added another cup of rinsed cashews. Our next ingredient that we're going to add in is we're going to add in freshly squeezed lemon juice. And this is about 5 tablespoons. The recipe calls for 4 to 5 tablespoons. But I had a huge lemon that I just squeezed, so I said I might as well just use all of it. So just 5 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. I find that it tastes better with 4 tablespoons. 5 tablespoons makes it a little bit sour, a little bit sour, but it's your preference how you like your salad dressing. And then we are going to add in 1 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of powder, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. The salt that we use is pink Himalayan salt. Pink Himalayan salt has a lot of minerals in there and is very good for you. So we add that in there. And now the last ingredient that we are going to add is some water. This calls for 1.5 cups of water. At the beginning, when you blend this up, I usually use just a little bit of water, not all of it, because when you blend it, you want it nice and creamy. When you put too much water in, sometimes the cashews doesn't break up as good and it's not as creamy and it takes longer to blend. So I'm just going to add in just enough where it adds in and save the rest for when it's nice and creamy and add rest to it. So we're going to blend it now for a few minutes. Okay, now we have this all blended up. The last ingredient that we add to this is going to be 1 tablespoon of dill. And you just blend that very slightly. You don't have to blend it too long, just enough where you can mix it up. So I'm going to add in our dill and blend it just a short, brief period. Now this is our recipe, what it looks like after we have blended it up. It's kind of thin, and now if you put it in the refrigerator, it does thicken up a lot, and you can add a little bit of water to it if you want to thin it out, but we like it thick, so you can do whatever you like to do, thicken it up, thin it out a little bit. And also we have also put it on our steamed vegetables, which is really good. Steamed broccoli is good, and other vegetables you can add as well. Oh, it's even good on, we once tried it on greens, and it was so good. So I think try it on the greens. I think you would really like it on some greens. And that's it. Thank you so much.